Hi, in this video, I'm going to help you how to create digital card in just a few minutes. Maybe I'll be going slow so that you can understand the things faster. Okay, and even if you miss anything, don't worry, I'm going to provide you this video. You can refer it anytime and pause it in between and follow the steps, right? So let me help you directly with the digital card creation. Okay, so now let me share my screen with you. Yeah, you can see the screen. So first of all, go to digitalcontact.in. What is that? Digitalcontact.in. Digitalcontact.in. Please see the link properly. Digitalcontact.in. This is the link you have to enter in the browser, and then you can see there is an option of login. You can see there is an option of login. Just click on that, or we also provided you the created digital contact or the smart card. Okay, both options are fine, both leads to the same location. So let me click on login. Okay, so here you can see the customer login. See, you are the new customer, so you have to create your account. For the new user, you have to create your account. If you are an existing user, you have to enter your email ID and password. Okay, right now this is my admin email ID, so that is not the case. So go to new user. Okay, so I'll just delete this. Okay, so now what you have to do is enter your name and email ID and everything. Okay, so let me enter my name is say Mahesh. My mail ID, you can enter maheshasarmani@gmail.com. You can enter your mobile number. So right now this is a testing purpose, so I'm going to create a different number. 1234 test. Okay, so let me enter test number. Okay, password also I have entered. So name, mobile, sorry, name, email. Name you can enter fully, so that's well done. Name, email. So you are going to create your account. Okay, click on create account. So I'm going to click on create account. Superb. So after you created account already activated. Okay, see, actually let me try again. So I'm going to test with something. Test at 2 at, see, already I have created this account, so I'm unable to create this contact. So I'm going to help you. So enter the mobile number. It is a okay, I'll just enter something. Okay, so now I'm going to create an account. Superb. So now you can see you have to click on the approval. You have to click on the approval. You have to confirm. So right now you can see something, hi test. This is the offer, special offer, 999 rupees. But for you, there is a special offer. Please refer the link given in the description below. Just click on create card, or even if you forget this, there is an option on the left hand side, create new card. You can create unlimited cards. You can create unlimited cards. Okay, next is I want to create the link, company name. Okay, so company name is done. I'm just entering as test 2. Wow, you can see so many options are there. You have so many options are there. Okay, you can choose any one. You can choose any one. So let me select, say, the red one. Okay, choose the template. Choose the template. Next is company logo. So right now I'll just ignore it. I'll just ignore it. Then comes is the your names. Okay, just enter your name and enter your last name and your designation. So please update all your information. Smart consultant. Okay, enter your mobile number, alternate number, WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is same. Okay, and office address, email, website, whatever the information is available, please update it. Company established date is something, and then this is about company. Okay, so you can update all the information. So let me update the website also. digitalconsultant.in. okay, I have updated so much location. Map location, your business location. Okay, so this is the map link you have to update. Okay, from where you can get the map link? Go to Google Maps, maps.google.com, maps.google.com or google.com/maps. Enter whatever the address you want to share. You have the option, click on share and copy this link and paste it here. Okay, I hope you're clear about how to update the map. Go to the next step, number 3. I'm now jumping to step number 3. You can see all the social media links. So Facebook, how to select the Facebook link? Enter facebook.com and log in with your email ID and password or whatever the login credentials you are having, and then click on the profile photo. You can see this is the link. You can get it and just update it here. Similarly for Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube channel link, Pinterest link, and YouTube video links. How to get YouTube video link? Let me help you. Go to YouTube and okay, first of all let me go to youtube.com. one sec. youtube.com, and there what you can search is search your channel if you have any. So I'm going to search my channel. Here you can see 769 subscribers I'm having. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, so this is the what I can say, this is the okay. So let me select one video. Okay, so this is the video. You have to select properly one video. Okay, actually this is the list. Okay, let me help you once again. So this is the channel. Click on the video. I'll just close this video. You can see so many videos are there. Okay, I'm going to select one video from here on the top. Copy this link and come back and paste the link. Remember, it should be youtube.com/watch/, and that's it. No need to update the playlist. Okay, only we need the YouTube video links. Okay, so this way you can add up to 5 YouTube videos. Okay, next go to next step number 4. Why it's not reaching? Maybe my internet is off or what? No, it's active. Okay, now let's move to the step number 4. Okay, earlier what we have done is step number 3 is update all the link. Jump to step number 4. I just checked whether my internet is working. Yeah, it is working. And then enter the payment links. You can update your account number 42000. Most of the time I want you to create all the link everywhere. 42000. Okay, you can update your bank details. Okay, these are all optionals. IFSC code, update your QR code also. So let me select my QR code. You can see so many of my files. Please ignore. Okay, please ignore. I have one QR code here. I'll just select one QR code. Okay, I'll just select one. Okay, it is actually Google Pay QR code. It's fine. Next comes is the product and services. Here you can see product and services. Okay, but the image size should not exceed 250 KB, maximum 250 KB. So here I'm going to put product 1 and select the image. So let me select a random image. I'm just selecting something. You can select up to 10 product or services. You have a lot of options. Okay, so right now for the testing purpose I'm going to show only one. So it is going to confirm. If you want to re-upload, you have the option. Next is the e-commerce. You have 20 product or shop items. For example, for e-commerce or offer products, you select whatever the product image, and then again product 1, I can say dash offer. Okay, the price of this is, say example, 3,000 rupees. What is the offer price? Maybe you are giving it at the 2,200. Okay, and you have the option up to 20 information you can update. So right now I'll not move to up to all these things. You can update it anytime. Yes, you can update it anytime. Don't worry about those things. Next is click on the next. Click on the next. Okay, next is the image gallery. You can have up to 10 images. Okay, let me try to add some images. Try to add some images. You can see I have added one image. So just go to the next and click to preview. That's it. Okay, your all steps are done. You can see this is asking you to activate. So at least for the first few days you can try. I haven't updated the company logo, so it is not giving properly. You can see the information has been updated successfully. Test and company name is actually I put as a test2, and my name, my designation, and my contacts. If you click here, you can directly call me. Click here to WhatsApp, map location, and everything. Just let me check. You can see here I clicked on map. It is showing me exact location where I am located, where my office is located. Email and website, everything is available here. Okay, email, website, and everything is available here. So you can definitely refer the things. Next is the contact. Okay, link, email address, and address. If you want to share your number, actually this works best in mobile. I'll show you how to do it in mobile in the next video. Okay, you can click to save contact or share it. Social media, I hope I have updated only one, that is Facebook. So you can see only one link. If anyone is going to click on that, you can directly open the Facebook, either your profile or your page or your group. Okay, whatever you can have. So those things you can update it here. Okay, so all these things are available here. Next is about you, about company, and that information. Shop online from our store. You can see shop online option is also available. So all this information you can see. The product 1, offer, the price. Yes, you can see the products and services also. YouTube videos also you can see it. Image gallery you can see it. Okay, payment information and contact us. So much information is available here. So the link is not proper. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the proper URL. So here is, you can see company name. Below that, your card ID is 18. You can see this is the link icon you have to click. So the URL, please observe the URL. It is digitalcontact.in/test2. If anyone is going to click on that, they can refer the your details directly. So right now here you can see it is 0. You have to just reload it, because 1 it is going to become. And again, this count is unique visitors. This count is about unique visitors. You can see 1. If you load so many times, doesn't matter, because it is going to consider only once. Okay, and once it is loaded, if you click on about us, it is going to jump to about us, services. Next is the offer. Next is the all information is available here. Videos, gallery. Okay, gallery, videos, payment information, QR code, and contact number. Contact us page, everything is available here. I just want to show you here. If you click on the video gets played here directly. Hi. Okay, that option is there. If you click on WhatsApp, okay, then right now it is connected, but it works best in mobile, as I said. Say example, I want to change this layout. How you can do the changes? Here you can see on the option edit. Okay, click on edit. Click on edit. The company name is test2. Keep the company name as it is. You can see so many layouts are available here. So many layouts are available here. You choose whatever the layout you want to choose. Right now this is selected. Let me select, say, the blue one. Okay, I just clicked on this blue, and I'm going to reload this and see what is going to happen. I'm just going to reload this, and see what is going to happen. Okay, my logo is not displaying. Okay, you can see the theme has been changed. So I'm going to change the company logo. Okay, let me choose a random image. Let me choose a random image as a logo. I'm just selecting one random image. Okay, and I'm also going to change the from blue to this time yellow. Okay, I'm just changing some information. I think company logo, I'll just select once more. Okay, and go to the next step. I think it should get updated. Let me see. I'm going to reload it. Wow, my logo is there. You can see the background is black because I have selected the PNG. So it is showing black. If you select a JPG, it is going to show white or whatever the color you are going to set in the logo. So you can see the layout has been changed immediately. Okay, layout has been changed immediately. So there are many benefits you can take advantage of that. So I want you to consider digital contact and start getting maximum benefit. Okay, so once again, okay, let me revise what you have to do. Is first step is to visit what? digitalcontact.in. First step is to visit digitalcontact.in, and next step is to click on login and enter your details, and thereafter you can update all the information. And good news is you can update all this information anytime. This is going to be saved for you all the time. Okay, so all the time this is going to be saved. You have to just update few information. You have to just click on that. You can come back and update anytime. Okay, so this is the best advantage you can take. Okay, my intention for this digital contact, how to create, is only one thing, that I want you to showcase in smart way, not the hard way. Okay, I hope you are going to do it. I want you to do it now. Click the link given in the description or visit digitalcontact.in, and start showcasing your product, your company information, and get more and more clients and grow your business with the technology. I wish you more energy. Thank you very much.